Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter 6. Its nouns case. Firstly, we will know about what is case. The case of a noun tells us what the relation of that noun is to some other word or words in a sentence. Means how noun or pronoun is used in relation to other words. Case of noun tells us the position of a noun in that sentence. In this chapter, we will discuss 3 cases of noun. Nominative case, it's also called subjective case. Second, objective case, it's also called accusative case. Third, possessive case. Nominative case or subjective case. When a noun is used as a subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. Subject is the doer of the action. The subject does the action. To find out the subject of the verb, we put who or what before a verb. The nominative case answers the question who or what. Read these examples. Tarun played football. We will put the question before the verb. Who played football? The answer is Tarun. Tarun played football. So Tarun is the subject of the verb played here. So Tarun is in the nominative case. Next example. The pen was lost by me. What was lost by me? The answer is the pen. So the pen is subject here. It will be the subjective case. Next, objective case, accusative case. When a noun is used as the object of the verb, it is said to be in the objective case. Object is the receiver of the action. To find out the object, we put what or whom. We put what or whom after the verb. Example, the man hits the door. The man hits what? We will put the question after verb. The man hits what? The door. So the door is object in this sentence. It's the receiver of the action. We will discuss direct object or indirect object. What is direct object? The noun naming the thing is used to be the direct object of the verb. Indirect object, the noun naming the person is said to be the indirect object of the verb. The noun that gives the answer of what, it is called direct object, and the noun that gives the answer of whom, it is called indirect object. The cat caught the mouse. The cat caught to whom? The mouse. So the mouse is object here. Ravi gave a pen to me. In this sentence, there are 2 objects. First, a pen, and second one is me. Ravi gave what? A pen. A pen is object here. It gives the answer of what? So it's a direct object. Ravi gave a pen to whom? Answer, me. So me is here indirect object of the verb. It gives the answer of whom. Next, possessive case. When a noun or pronoun shows possession or ownership, it is said to be in the possessive case. Possessive case It is used to show ownership. It shows belongingness of that thing. It gives the answer of the question whose. We will put the question from whose. This is Mr. Sharma's car. Whose car? Mr. Sharma's car. Mr. Sharma is the owner of this car. This car belongs to Mr. Sharma. Next example. This is Sita's doll. Whose doll? Sita's doll. So, we can say that possessive case gives the answer whose. It shows the ownership. If anybody has any query, you can ask me. Thank you.